Easter isn't only about colored eggs and chocolate bunny rabbits. TSO is having their Easter sale where they're offering 10% off their precision woodworking tools and 5% off UJK with some free shipping options for those in the contiguous United States. I'll put my affiliate link in the description of this video down below. TSO does not pay me to make these videos. They do not ask me to make these videos. I choose to do these because I am passionate about what they do. Now, my affiliate link, if you choose to use that, they will give us a small fee or commission when you buy tools from them. The reason that I promote TSO to the Smart Woodshop is they are an incredible resource for us. They create a high-end tool. It's very low production. I know the owner, founder of the company, and talk to them about tools that I'm interested in. In fact, one of the Smart Woodshop fam, Kurt Reisinger, a few years ago, came to me with his power locks, and I introduced him to the Smart fam. You guys loved them and ran him crazy. You bought so many in the first couple of weeks. And then after talking to Kurt and to the folks over at TSO, they were able to come together, and TSO took them to the next level, and now they are available for you to purchase, and there's nothing else like them on the market. This is the only one. You have no second choice. And that is the beauty of a small company like TSO, based in the United States. Everything is designed and made here, and we can go directly to them and talk to them. Before Kurt's incredible power lock design came along, I had went to TSO and told them about my need of being able to connect parts on the smart benches, the router table, the extensions, things like that. And there again was nothing on the market. And so I got on the phone with Hans and we talked about it, and literally, as I described it, he was putting it into CAD, sent me over some designs, and this was on a Sunday. And I said, I think that'll work, that'll be perfect. And this is what came out of that, and they are available today to purchase. Of course, the power lock does what this does, and I think a little bit better. So kudos to Kurt for having a better idea than me, but they both serve an incredible purpose of extending the Smart Woodshop. And there's other ideas that I have been talking to them about that may or may not come to market. We will see. But that's why I promote them. Again, this was between them and Kurt. I just introduced them, and they made these for me, but this is their product, not mine. So it isn't like tools that I'm selling and profiting from. It's just that there really is a beauty to being able to think about things and have a shop with the resources to be able to take ideas to the next level. My main purpose and goal to support TSO is because TSO supports us, the small woodworkers. Mahalo.